Hello, I'm Chris Parkin. This is the Bergara BA13 takedown in 308 Winchester. Welcome to All for Shooters. When you open the rifle, squeeze the lever, it opens under its own weight. Pop the new round in and it clips over the extractor claw. If you need to get it out, it will come out with just fingertip pressure alone. The gun closes easily, then just cock it and you're ready to fire. To reload, click the lever in, open the gun, case comes out, start again.
Performance on target was immediately acceptable. It was just a case of running the barrel in a little bit and zeroing into the centre. I think it's fair to say the Norma Evo Strike non-toxic 139 grain ammunition was my favourite for this rifle.
The gun does open under its own weight anyway. Sternal hammer cocks like that. You can decock it, put the pressure on it, squeeze the trigger and allow it to go forward for completely safe action. The trigger is single stage, it's crisp at 1750 grams, which is 62 ounces.
All other tested ammunition did shoot very well, and even though the rifle is very jumpy from its light weight, actually met quite good accuracy standards on target. Muzzle velocities published by the ammunition manufacturers didn't seem too harshly affected by the shorter barrel. Apologies, both 165 grain Gecko loads just dropped out the camera's frame of view.
Overall length is 890mm or 35 inches. Overall weight is 3 kilograms or 6.54 pounds. Barrel length is 510mm or 20 inches with a 1 in 12 twist. It's button rifled. It features a matte stainless finish and flutes to reduce weight. The barrel is screw cut for a moderator, all muzzle brake under a nice clean fitting thread cap. The crown is neat and sharp on the muzzle itself. The rifle features a Picatinny rail directly attached to the barrel. This is great for easy scope mounting, and it also means you can swap over to night vision on the smaller calibers for a great nighttime use rifle. Available calibers are 222 Remington, 243 Winchester, 300 Blackout, 308 Winchester, 3006 Springfield, 8x57 JRS and 4570 Government. Although the forend is stiff and shows a free float on the barrel is actually attached underneath the forend to about here. Length of pull is actually quite a generous 360mm, which is 14 1/8 of an inch. The hammer cocks manually, trigger pulls are crisp at 1750 grams, which is 62 ounces. You can decock the hammer just by holding the weight, squeezing the trigger and allowing it forward slowly. The gun actually opens under its own weight. The grip and forend are heavily checkered and you get a great tactile perception of feel on the gun. It's an open radius grip and there's lots of space for your hand. The trigger guard is also spacious to wear gloves. The underlever is fast to access. It also carries the same matte finish in stainless steel as the rest of the gun. It's easy to grip and flicks the gun open quickly. Locking is fully sprung and it clicks solidly back in position. You can actually access the underside lever with the bipod on, but it's easy to remove it if you want to strip the gun down. Another anchor point is moulded in at the rear of the gun. This makes it easy to add a sling securely. If you want to disassemble the rifle for transportation or storage, it's as easy as a shotgun to take apart. And similarly, there's a lever on the underside of the forend that allows the forend to come off, and holding the barrel, open the action, and it will all latch apart. The reverse is just as easy to put it back together. The instruction manual contains detailed instructions of how to adjust the forend fit. The polymer is injection moulded with a soft touch finish and lots of checkering to aid grip on both the grip and forend.
The rifle handles quietly in the field with no hollow resonance from the stock and no squeaks from the action. I think it's honest to say it's a little bit slower reloading the cartridges wearing heavy gloves for the winter or cold weather.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching that review. I've enjoyed shooting this rifle because it's a totally different thing from the usual bolt action or straight pull rifles I use. Having the underlever makes it a different operation, and it focuses the brain a little bit with just being that single shot option, and you do have to make the one shot count. Reloading isn't too slow or onerous, but it is slower than a bolt action or straight pull rifle. Using the gun is fast, pointable, it mounts well, the cheek piece is very good on the Monte Carlo stock, it's tall, it fits under your cheekbone without displacing your jaw. I also love the fact, reach forward with the finger, it's straight on there and you can change rounds with the other hand. It doesn't make a huge difference if you're left or right handed with this gun, you can shoot it either way, and the extension on the side of the hammer can be swapped to either side. There is a very slight right hand cast on this stock, but shooting it left handed, you don't really notice it, to be honest. Length of pull is 360mm or 14 1/8 of an inch, which is long, generous, and on a small rifle, which is light at 3 kilos or 2.5 pounds, it is quite jumpy, and that longer length of pull makes larger people better for getting a good hold on the rifle securely and transferring recoil linear into the shoulder. The butt pad itself is firm and it's grippy, so once it's in your shoulder, it locks well in position. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching that review. Please like, subscribe and comment, because your comments are what drive us to make more videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can see our regular uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.